Hey everyone, welcome back to the Voice Over Dude. Today's story takes us back to the very top of the world, Mount Everest. At nearly 9 kilometers high, it's the tallest mountain on earth, but here's the unbelievable twist. Inside it, mighty walls lie the remains of sea creatures that once lived on the ocean floor. How did the roof of the world came from the bottom of the sea? That's the fascinating mystery we are exploring today. And if you enjoy stories like this, don't forget to hit the follow button so you never miss out. Mount Everest is known as the crown of the earth, standing over 29,000 feet above sea level. For climbers, it's the ultimate challenge, but beyond the ice and rocks lies a story written hundreds of millions of years ago. When scientists studied the rocks that made up Everest, they found something extraordinary: fossil fuels of shells, corals, and tiny marine creatures. These were once lived at the bottom of the prehistoric ocean more than 400 million years ago. Imagine that the very peak that now scrapes the sky was once home to sea life far below the waves. How is this possible? The answer lies in the slow, unstoppable movement of Earth crust. Millions of years ago, the Indian tectonic plate drifted north and collided with Asia. The force of that collision pushed up the layer of seabed, folding and crumbling them into what we know known as the Himalayas. Everest itself rose from the ancient clash, carrying the memory of the ocean with it. Even more amazing, Everest is still growing today. Each year it raises by a few centimeters as the plates continue to push against each other. That means the tallest point on Earth is still reaching for the sky, while carrying fossils that once belonged to the deepest sea. Think about it. Every climber who stands on the summit of Everest is actually standing on an ancient ocean floor. The highest point we can reach is built from the lowest depths imaginable. It's a powerful reminder that our planet is alive, consistently shifting and always reshaping itself. And that's the incredible story of the Mount Everest, a mountain that proves the earth is full of secrets. From the ocean floor to the sky, our world has been rewriting its story for billions of years, leaving behind clues in the most unexpected places. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to follow the Voice Over Dude for more amazing journeys through history, science, and beyond. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of our planet. Thank you.